All right, so I want to go through the AWS cloud and how to actually create an account for some of you that want to maybe follow along in some of the videos that I have. And so I wanted to show you how to actually create an account here. So first thing I would recommend is go to awsamazon.com, and I'll put a link when I post this. Once you go to that, you'll get a page. It'll look similar to this. Go up to complete sign up. Let me see here. And then once you are here, you're going to go down to create new user here. Okay. So we're going to click on this. And then once we are here, we should be able to put some information in here. So you're going to put a personal email or whatever email that you decide. Let me choose one here. I've created one just for this. All right, and then what you would do is you would go to verify email address. Okay, so you're gonna get this. It's gonna send you a link. Hopefully this won't take too long. Let me grab this link, this verification code. Alright, so once I've got that, alright, then I can come up with a root password. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just create a password. Choose my own password. Let's see here. Alright, and as you can see this is just the step 1 of 5. I don't know if I'm able to go through everything to see the password. Okay, so obviously that is not a good password. Let's see here. Try again. Let's try. This should work, hopefully. Does not match. Alright, let's see if this works. Ah, that worked. Alright, not now. Alright, and then once you do that, go ahead and choose personal, and then, or you can choose business if you like, but there is actually a free cloud computing service for the first year. And then, put in your full name, put in your address. I'm gonna follow along with you guys here. All right. And of course, you can read that if you'd like. And this is probably where I'll stop right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your credit card number in here, expiration date, verify, and continue. And what this is going to do is this is actually going to charge you just $1, and then you'll get that dollar back. It's just a pending transaction on your credit card, and then you'll do this, and then you'll go to step 4 and step 5, which I believe is where you'll actually choose just a free tier, and I'll show you that in just a second. And I'm not going to finish this because I already have an account. I just wanted to show you an example because when I first started, I was a little confused on how this actually works and how to actually set up an account. But when you do go, you want to choose and I believe this is step 4, the AWS free tier. Okay, and what this does is it actually gives you a lot of these free services, of which we will actually talk about, like the EC2s, the S3 for the storage, the database, all these things. And you can kind of take a look. If you go to, here's the link, and I'll put this in the posting for you. within this video. So in the sign up, you'll put in your credit card information. Step 4, I believe, is actually is where they'll you choose what service that you want. Again, I recommend the AWS free tier. I typically, sometimes I'll go over the free tier and I'll spend $2, $3, $4 a month, but it's worth it. And then step 5 is just you're waiting for a confirmation, if I remember correctly. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will see you in my next video.